And hey there. Aloha, ladies and gents. My name is GussaKidAZ, and I was planning on doing a different project, finishing up kind of one I started a while back, but because of some limitations I'm experiencing at the moment, all I have is pocket lint. So I'm currently unable to finish that project, so I decided to switch the burners to a backup project, a quick little weekend project, and that's basically what I did last weekend. Here's that. It's the f***ing mouse. Oh, there it goes. Saw it. Camera didn't see it, I saw it. There's the mouse. So, this is my cheap weekend project. I hope you enjoy. So, because of aforementioned limitations, it's so empty! We've gone to the finest place money can buy. Okay, there's little Hummers, but they're 20 bucks. That's not what I wanted. These looks like a little sports car. Come here.
I'm gonna let you. Da 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 da.
Yeah, it's a spider.
It ticks.
Not spider.
Spider. Spider. Anyway.
Here we go.
Heck yeah, 50 bucks.
Obviously.
Look at these little dudes.
And they were dirt
These
cheap.
are 10.
Yeah, not exactly what I was looking for, but I'll probably could use it.
That's like.
If I do have this also for 10.
What is that?
What?
This one.
These are both Adventure Force, but so one's like obviously a bigger car. Do you think maybe?
I'd say it would be easier to work with a bigger car though.
Okay, so we finally settled on this little Adventure Force Lamborghini I don't speak Italian. Small, 10 bucks, exactly what I needed. Unique frequency. Now I've got 2 Pepsi cans here drying. And so once they're dry, I'll start peeling them apart.
Pepsi in a cooked glass. Anyway.
And it takes a little bit of modding, but it should just kind of fit nicely in the can. So let's get this thing ripped apart and reimagined to be a Pepsi can. You're so angry.
Oh, okay, that was...
3, 2, 1, go. Oh shit, it is. Oh!
Good thing that thing's not on.
I think it would be barely fine.
Damn. He drifts.
Stop trying to sit the spin. Okay, enough goofing. Back to work. Alright, battery's installed. Let's see if my circuitry or wiring works. Yes. And it works wonderfully.
He's trying. Oh no. Oh. What was that?
That's the steering. What the steering's trying to do. Ah! Okay. And then, so I feel very defeated. Something went kind of terribly wrong with the car. Little hint, it's not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to look like this.
It's supposed to, as it proceeds to drive directly into the wall. I love the fact that this thing exists. Oh, and it's going in circles again. Gus. No, don't hit it. Whoops. It's not. Oh, all right. She doesn't care. She just. Okay, don't go too fast. Anyway.
All in all, I think it was a mild success. It's a great little tinker toy. I can definitely make some more improvements off of it. But if you liked the project or the video, please leave a like and possibly subscribe. And don't forget to ring that bell button. I'll see you later. Aloha!
Damn! He drifts! Fool's got some giddy up.
Oh no. Spitfire stopped responding. What on earth happened to you? Oh wow, it actually tripped her switch and turned her off.
Haha!
Stop trying to hit the spit.
No.
Hey Alex, look what I can do that you totally can't.